What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Gonna go over our friend POL. A couple of people in my Discord are saying, "What's going on? Polygon is not looking strong." So I'll show you guys why. We're currently sitting at 46 cents. We're down almost 10% on the day. Seeing market cap 3.88 billion. 24-hour volume 259 million. I just got some pork steaks cooking behind me or in front of me here in the kitchen, so hopefully it's not too loud. So simple analysis for POL ABC correction, still looking to put in the wave 5 of the wave C. The reason that you haven't seen as big of a bounce as some of the other alts for our friend POL is because of Ethereum. POL follows extremely closely with Ethereum most of the time, and as you can see, the charts look extremely similar. Ethereum looks like it's going to put in a wave C of the wave 2. And POL looks like it's going to complete the wave C, break that low. Ethereum looks like it's going to break its local low before seeing the bounce back to the upside. So that's why POL is doing what it's doing, because the majority of the time in the last cycle and ever since POL came out, when it was MATIC before, it always followed very closely with Ethereum, about 90% of the time. And that's what we're seeing. So we create one more lower low, potentially down to 39 cents, which is a 78.6, and then see that bounce back to the upside. We are currently in trades for POL as well as for Ethereum on the higher time frame, so we're just waiting for the correction to finish, see the continuation back to the upside, and then things will be looking back on track for our friend Polygon. And as we can see here, we're just coming back into that zone of support on the daily time frame before continuation. Weekly, you're not going to see the EMAs because the chart is too fresh. But we're just coming back to retest, fill that wick, and then see continuation, in my opinion, following the price action of ETH. All right, gang, we're currently in 4 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, one of the few exchanges. You can trade futures in North America, 10% back on every single one of your trades, on your fees. When you sign up through my link, take that 30 seconds. That's all you have to do. Really worth it, in my opinion. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access, which includes my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. One of our members is posting trade signals all day long. And you can also see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking profits. Here you can see my analysis. Every day I update my analysis. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord. Take the 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex. That's all you need to do. And send me that email and you have completely free access for life. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.